Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: cybercrime laws in India. If you've ever wondered what protections you have against cyberbullying, identity theft, or hacking, this video is for you. Let's get started. Imagine this. Suppose you're cyberbullied, someone leaks essential documents online, or worse, your personal identity is stolen and misused. What legal protections do you have? In India, cybercrime laws are primarily governed by the Information Technology Act, 2000, along with certain provisions of the Indian Penal Code. Let's explore these in detail. Chapter 1. Laws against cyberbullying and harassment. Cyberbullying involves using digital platforms to threaten, harass, or humiliate someone. Here are the relevant laws. Section 66A of the IT Act addressed sending offensive messages through communication services. However, it was struck down by the Supreme Court in 2015 as unconstitutional. Section 67, publishing or transmitting obscene material in electronic form. If someone shares explicit content online without consent, they could face up to 5 years imprisonment and a fine up to 10 lakh rupees for the first offense, and up to 7 years for subsequent offenses. Section 67B, publishing or transmitting child porn or predatory acts on children. The penalties are the same as Section 67, but it specifically targets child pornography. Chapter 2. Laws against identity theft and privacy violations. Identity theft involves stealing someone's personal information to commit fraud, and privacy violations include unauthorized sharing of personal information. Relevant laws include Section 66C of the IT Act, identity theft. If someone uses your personal details to open a bank account in your name, they could be punished with up to 3 years imprisonment, or a fine up to 1 lakh rupees, or both. Section 66E of the IT Act. If someone takes and shares private photos of you without your consent, they could be punished with up to 3 years imprisonment, or a fine up to 2 lakh rupees, or both. Under the IPC, we have Section 419, punishment for cheating by personation. For example, if someone pretends to be someone else to deceive you, they could face up to 3 years imprisonment, or a fine, or both. Section 420, cheating and dishonestly inducing delivery of property. If someone tricks you into giving them money, they could face up to 7 years imprisonment and a fine. Chapter 3. Laws against hacking and data tampering. Hacking and data tampering are serious offenses where someone illegally accesses or manipulates data. Here are the laws addressing these issues. Section 65 of the IT Act, tampering with computer source documents. For example, if someone changes the code in a software program without permission, they could face up to 3 years imprisonment or a fine up to 2 lakh rupees, or both. Section 66 of the IT Act, computer-related offenses, including hacking. Suppose someone hacks into your email and reads your private messages. They could be punished with up to 3 years imprisonment or a fine up to 5 lakh rupees, or both. Section 66B of the IT Act, dishonestly receiving stolen computer resources or communication devices. If someone buys a stolen laptop knowing it's stolen, they could face up to 3 years imprisonment or a fine up to 1 lakh rupees, or both. Chapter 4. Laws against cyberterrorism and severe crimes involve using technology to cause significant harm or fear. Here are the key laws. Section 66F of the IT Act, cyberterrorism. This is a severe crime like hacking into government systems to cause panic. The penalty for this can be life imprisonment. Under the IPC, we have Section 468, forgery for purpose of cheating. For example, if someone creates fake documents to cheat someone, they could face up to 7 years imprisonment and a fine. Section 469, forgery for purpose of harming reputation. If someone forges a document to damage someone's reputation, they could face up to 3 years imprisonment and a fine. Chapter 5. Other relevant provisions. There are also other laws that address cybercrimes. The Protection of Children from Sexual Offenses Act, 2012, POCSO Act, has provisions for cybercrimes related to child pornography and sexual abuse of children. The Companies Act, 2013, includes measures to tackle cyber frauds and enforce stringent penalties. Chapter 6. Law enforcement agencies and legal recourse. If you're a victim of cybercrime, here's what you can do. Report the incident to your local police station or cybercrime cell. You can also use the Ministry of Home Affairs cybercrime reporting portal at cybercrime.gov.in to file complaints. These laws and provisions are designed to combat various aspects of cybercrime and protect individuals and organizations in the digital space. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights.